Hello, I'm Jennifer Royce.
And I'm Tom Peterson.
We are IPv6 project managers for the UNH-IOL. We are an ISO 17025 accredited laboratory for the USGv6 test program.
Today we are going to review how to utilize the UNH-IOL and your IPv6 membership to test your networking products so that they are eligible for U.S. federal government procurements and IPv6 ready logos.
By becoming a member of the IPv6 consortium, you are able to schedule several test reservations throughout the year for a one-time annual fee. Along with satisfying government sales policies, there are several key benefits that you can take advantage of during the period of your membership. These benefits include enhancing your internal Q&A and R&D efforts, reducing sales barriers with potential customers, and gaining peace of mind on the quality of your products.
Once your membership becomes active, you now have access to schedule a test reservation for the product you would like us to perform testing on. You may also purchase multiple memberships in order to schedule concurrent test reservations. With each active membership a company has, they are allowed to reserve one test block. Each test block reserves 6 to 8 weeks of testing, depending on the test specifications selected by the vendor. Testing requests can be made through the online vendor login page by accessing the address shown here. A manager sends login credentials and documentation when your membership becomes active.
Once a test reservation is confirmed as being available, a manager at the UNH-IOL will contact your technical team to confirm the start date, the device to be tested, and the test specifications to be performed. If the device has not yet been received at the UNH-IOL, there will be communication to determine an estimated date for shipment and reception of the device. In order to ensure that testing starts as scheduled, we prefer that the device be at our facility at least 1 week prior to the start of testing so that your reservation can begin as arranged. The device will then be added to our internal database so that test specifications may be selected for your reservation.
At this point in the testing process, the test reservation, device, and test specifications have been confirmed. Once the device has been received at our facility and the version of code to be tested is confirmed, the testing process can begin. Again, the time needed to complete your particular reservation in its entirety can vary depending on what test specifications have been selected. For example, if you were to select core IPv6 protocols and address architecture specifications, the testing typically takes 3 to 4 weeks. Whereas if these plus security test specifications are selected, testing typically takes an additional 4 weeks for a total of 8 weeks. Additionally, if issues are uncovered, such as configuration issues or failures, testing can take much longer since we are working with you to debug and resolve the situation.
While testing is ongoing, our experienced test technicians and staff will be in contact with you regarding the status of testing and will alert you of any issues they are experiencing as they arise. Anytime a test cycle completes, you will receive an official UNH-IOL report detailing the device tested, the test environment, test cases performed, and a clear indication of pass or fail for each individual test case. At this point, one of two things can happen. 1. Your product underwent testing and all test cases passed with a single version of code. Or 2. Your product underwent testing and issues or failures were uncovered during the testing process. If your device falls into the first scenario where all the test cases pass, your device would then meet USGv6 requirements for those functionalities tested. The UNH-IOL will work with you to determine if you would like your product posted on the UNH-IOL's USGv6 Devices Tested website, will assist you with completing your supplier's declaration of conformity, also known as an SDoC, and will also guide you through the IPv6 Ready logo application process.
If your device falls into the second scenario, where during testing issues or failures were uncovered, another test reservation will need to be scheduled in order to have a round of full regression testing performed. With your membership, the UNH-IOL can work with your technical team to troubleshoot and retest previous failures. We can provide crucial feedback that will assist you with your debugging efforts and will expedite the process of improving your product's performance. Since you're a member, this can be done at any time and is not bound or limited to a reserved test slot. While you're waiting for your next test slot, you may confirm any bug fixes for found failures at any time. The test technicians will verify the fix on a best effort basis.
Once new code is available for testing, the device is updated and prepared for your new test reservation. The device will again undergo testing of all previous tests performed, and again you will receive periodic updates regarding its status. When testing completes, one of two things can happen. 1. The device passes all test cases with the new code, or 2. The device does not pass all test cases. If the device passes all required test cases, your device would then be eligible for certification in the functionalities tested. If your device does not pass all test cases, the cycle repeats itself until the device is 100% compliant or until your membership expires.
Thank you for your time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.